Sawadee Cup and welcome to Thailand News Today, the end of our third week. Thank you for all the great support. We're almost getting 20,000 views per day. We want to get more as we bring you all the latest news from Thailand. Plenty of coronavirus related news today. Let's get started. Today, Thailand confirms 50 new cases. It brings the total in Thailand up to 322. 278 patients remain hospitalised, 43 have returned home. The 50 new patients include 18 who visited the Lumphini Stadium in Bangkok, including spectators, boxing officials and administrators. 5 who contracted the virus at bars and entertainment venues, 12 people including a 6-month-old child who had contact with previous patients, 6 who attended religious ceremonies in the southern provinces of Pattani and Songkhla, 9 patients who returned from abroad, including 2 Thais returning from England, and Burmese workers who had been working in crowded locations. Around the world, the total number of cases today has reached 247,000 as of now, with a major spike in US cases, which have now reached over 15,000. Then on the southern island of Phuket, news sources are reporting 5 cases. The confirmation had been reported in the Southern News, Phuket People's Voice, Phuket And-Man News and Newshawk Phuket. Before today, the Phuket governor had not announced any cases on the island. They're reporting that the cases involved 2 Chinese and 3 Danish citizens. The Centres of Disease Control in Bangkok tried to avoid a full confirmation when asked about the new cases. They merely mentioned, without denying the story, that they're awaiting full reports from local doctors and reiterated, as they have in the past, that they didn't want to panic people. 7 people in Bangkok have been charged with price gouging for selling face masks at highly inflated prices. The 7 defendants were caught during a government crackdown on overpriced protective gear last week. The court found that 5 of the 7 defendants had seized the opportunity from the COVID-19 virus crisis to take advantage of the situation. The court found 5 of the defendants guilty for selling overpriced medical masks. The other 2 received reduced sentences and fines. A hot and smoky day up in the north of Thailand today. An area just north of Chiang Mai has recorded the worst PM 2.5 levels ever. The Thailand Meteorological Department says that a thermal low still covers upper Thailand and southerly and southeasterly winds are bringing humidity from the South China Sea to the northeast, the east and the central region. Chiang Mai had temperatures reaching 39 degrees today. The mercury's been up near 40 degrees all week. The region's smoke and smog problem is also hazardous today, with readings of PM 2.5 particulate reaching 438 in some areas just north of Chiang Mai. That's well into the hazardous zone. The upper safe limit in Thailand for PM 2.5 particulate is 50. Chiang Mai also listed as the most polluted city in the world again today, number 1 by a long shot. And you might be using these services a lot in the next few weeks. GrabFood today have announced contactless delivery, which is going to ensure the hygiene and security of drivers and customers. Drivers will be wearing face masks as they follow the customer's directions via an in-app chat as to where to deliver their order. They'll then let the customer know when they arrive, place the food order where it's wanted and wait for the customer to pick it up. Both parties should maintain a 2-metre distance. And that's probably good advice for the next few weeks as we apply social distancing to most of our social discourse. Thanks for watching today's program. Please subscribe to the daily delivery of Thailand News Today. Have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.